good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching us from. It's exciting times again in Ebonyi State. If you have been following our channel, you know that previously I made an update on the Ebonyi International Airport, also known as the Chuba Okadigbo International Airport. I made an update about the operations fully back to normal, and this time with enough proof to show that Ebonyi State International Airport is now very, very operational and functional. You're free to come in to book your flight anytime, any day. So earlier today, Governor Francis Ogbonnanwifuru himself was on the ground, live at the airport, personally seeing off national dignitaries after the funeral of His Excellency Dr. Christopher Ogbonnaya Ono. If we can recall, months ago, we lost this national icon to death, and his burial ceremony was attended by the la creme of the society, national dignitaries. As seen in the video, the airport was buzzing with activity, showing just how far we've come. This moment is thanks to the governor's commitment, asphalting the massive 3.2-kilometer runway and making sure everything runs very smoothly. Dignitaries weren't in short supply either. The event was attended by southeastern state governors, including Peter Mbah, Alex Otti, Hope Uzodinma, and many other VIPs, all experiencing firsthand the efficiency of our upgraded airport. Ebonyi is now on the move, and with this airport fully operational, the state's connectivity and future look brighter than ever. So, continue to stay tuned because Ebonyi State is only getting started, and we are going to be giving you back-to-back updates on this particular airport. Just stay tuned to this video and watch till the end.